Powers up, let's go racing from Indy.
Hi, I'm Greg Gill, President and CEO of SRO Motorsports America. SRO partnered with GPX and Sony to power onboard cameras inside the cockpits of our GT World Challenge America race cars. SRO is the premier destination for GT and touring car racing in North America. We oversee 6 professional series, with our headlining GT World Challenge America powered by AWS, all built on the foundation of SRO's accessible, world-class global competition program. When we started working with GPX and with Sony, we had a simple but ambitious goal: make live motorsport coverage as dynamic and immersive as racing itself for both our on-site fans as well as our fans at home watching via their connected devices. Working with GPX and Sony technology has been transformative. From an operational standpoint, we've streamlined our production capabilities and have been able to leverage cutting-edge AWS cloud technology.
My name is Jeff Segal, and I'm the founder of GPX Stream. GPX Stream is a motorsports-based live streaming video service. Our goal is to offer onboard live streaming video services for our clients that can be used for primarily coaching applications, but also in the SRO Motorsports Group application, race control and broadcast integrations. Initially, I was a professional race car driver, and as part of that, I would dovetail my professional race car driver career with driver coaching. GPX Stream was formed initially with coaching as a mandate to be able to provide remote coaching feedback watching a live streaming video from within the cockpit of a race car. The technology has evolved, but we also have new applications in race control and in broadcast that we had never anticipated before. The Sony PDT-FP1 has really transformed the way that we conduct our business. Previously, we had a host of different hardware elements that comprised our live camera system. With the PDT-FP1, everything is simplified. It's a much smaller physical footprint inside the car, but it's not sacrificing any performance. We have an inbuilt Q20 mount, we have an onboard cooling fan, and we have one of the most sophisticated 5G networking devices that exist at the moment. So that has allowed us to produce higher quality videos with lower latency and higher reliability. The opportunity to work with SRO Motorsport Group has been an ultimate proving ground for us. We've found all sorts of challenges, from heat and vibration to electronic interference, and just the nature of streaming from a car that's going around a racetrack at 170 miles an hour or more. From our perspective, this has not been an easy challenge to work with, but what we found is if you can stream from here, you can stream from anywhere. One of the unique opportunities that we found working with SRO Motorsports Group has been really to enhance the fan experience. The VBRIC initiative, which is allowing us to stream from more onboard feeds than ever anywhere before in any other racing series, is one of the things that's most exciting. The burden is on us to make sure that all of the cars in the field are outfitted with our equipment and streaming properly at all times, but the result of that is the ability to ride with virtually any car at any point in the race, which is incredibly insightful.
I'm John Maskey. I'm the race director for GT World Challenge America here with SRO, and we are responsible for the safe and efficient and fair operation of the racing that goes on the track. With the introduction of live streaming technology into race control, we've been able to make more educated, more timely decisions. That's not just when it comes to the car-to-car conduct, but also what we see on the racetrack relative to a single car running around, conditions on the racetrack, is there debris out there? All that information coming back in real time helps us immensely. From a competitor standpoint, they've been reliant on us to make quick, timely decisions. With our ability to bring closure to an incident that we're reviewing in the moment, we've been able to have a better understanding of what the race looks like when the checkered flag falls and the order that all the cars are going to finish in for the final results, which will come out more quickly now. In closing, having this technology available to us in race control has really enabled us to act more quickly, more efficiently, and bring closure to the race and provide a better product for both the competitors and for the fans watching live.
And that is yet another victory for Team WRT. That is a close on the Indianapolis 8-hour.